Good morning everyone. I welcome you all in science class students. Students, today we are going to discuss the last topic of chapter number 7. That one is petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Fossil fuel means it's a fuel like coal, oil, natural gas that are formed from dead remains of plants and animals. If I talk about petroleum, as you know that we use petrol in our vehicle. So this petrol is used as an energy. This petroleum is used as an energy. It has many names: rock oil, crude oil, fossil fuel, black gold, liquid sunlight. Why it is called black gold? Gold, as you know, it is very precious. Why it is called black gold? Because it is black in color, and it is also very precious because from this we get so many energy. Means from this petrol, this fuel, so many energy produced, and this energy get transformed into another. So this fossil fuel is formed from dead remains of animals and plants that are live in sea creatures, means that are present in sea. So when this dead remains of the sea creatures get buried into the soil and so many layers got deposited over and over it again and again, gradually because of the pressure that is exerted by the layer on them, these remain get changed into oil and gas. In India, we found the petroleum in Ankleshwar in Gujarat, Digboi in Assam, Bombay High on the Mumbai coast. So as you know, what is the use? First we use in our vehicle. Second, it also used as a dry cleaning process. It also used for making lubricating oil. Lubricating oil means the oil which reduces the friction, right? It also used in printing ink, medicines. And we also get the paraffin wax from the petroleum. This paraffin wax is used to make candles, waterproof cartons and polish. Next topic is conserve natural resources. Why we need to conserve, protect our natural resources. There is one quotation by Mahatma Gandhi: the earth has enough for everybody's need but not enough for everybody's greed. Very good quotation by Mahatma Gandhi and meaningful also. It means that our earth, our mother nature has so many resources to fulfill our needs, but it cannot fulfill our greed. So as we know, we have so many natural resources, so this is our responsibility to protect them. How we can protect them? By stop wasting them, right? To save fuel at home, first of all, we should keep in mind that our stoves and machine are in good condition so that there will be less wastage. Next, we should use coal and oil very carefully. We should also use inexhaustible sources of energy like sun, wind and water. Now, inexhaustible source, which cannot exhaust, means there is tremendous amount of this energy that if we use it, it cannot come to its end, right? Exhaustible like coal, petroleum, these are exhaustible. Once it can use, it cannot come back, right? Exhaustible means once it can use, it cannot come back, we cannot use it again. It cannot transform into original. So in place of coal, petroleum, we also use sun energy, solar energy, wind energy, right? Hydropower plants, hydro energy. Minerals deposited in the earth are limited, means the minerals that are deposited in the earth, it is very limited. So we should use it carefully. We should not waste it while mining. Animal and plants, these are gift to human beings by our nature. As we know that we all are dependent, we have one cycle that we all are dependent on animals and plants, right? So the balance between them should not be disturbed. If it get disturbed, then there will be lot of harmfulness that we need to face. So we should keep in mind that we should use our resources very carefully and very wisely. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood all the topic which I have discussed. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.